Crispy, crunchy broccoli salad is the ultimate potluck side dish. Ready in minutes, it is perfect for summer. Hey everybody, I'm Kelly with the Suburban Soapbox, and today we are making my favorite side dish, broccoli salad. It is loaded with so many great ingredients like salty bacon and cheese and tart dried cherries. There's all kinds of flavors going on here, and it's so easy to make. It has been on our menu for like 25 years at least. All you need to make your broccoli salad is broccoli florets, some red onion, chopped walnuts or pecans, or even something crunchy like sunflower seeds if you want to keep it nut-free, some cooked chopped bacon, shredded cheese. I have a blend here of Colby Jack and cheddar, but you can use all cheddar or you can skip the cheese altogether. Some dried cherries. You can also substitute these with dried cranberries, salt and pepper, and then for the dressing, you just need a little bit of mayonnaise, some apple cider vinegar, honey, salt and pepper. So super easy and made with ingredients you probably already have in your house. So to make our salad, we're just gonna take our bowl of washed, chopped broccoli florets. And I like to make sure that my broccoli florets are like kind of on the smaller side. Like this one might be a little bigger than normal, but I like them pretty tidy and small, chopped up so that you're not like stuffing a big piece of broccoli in your mouth and like chewing for 20 minutes before you're done. So we're just going to dump all of our ingredients into the bowl. Our dried cherries, the cheese, our red onion, the chopped nuts, and again, you can use sunflower seeds if you don't want to use walnuts, or you can skip this altogether, but I do think it adds a nice buttery crunch to the salad. And then our bacon I'm going to save for last. So this is great to make ahead here. You can mix all of this together, and then we'll mix up the salad dressing. We'll just toss this a little bit. And the reason I want to mix it up a little bit before I add the dressing is so that when I pour the dressing on, it doesn't just clump into one big ball with that cheese. So we're going to take this bowl and we're going to whisk together our dressing ingredients. So I have some mayonnaise, and if you want to make it a little tangier, you can add like sour cream or Greek yogurt. We're going to add our apple cider vinegar. Just give it a little whisk. Next is the honey. We'll just scrape that out. And whisk all that together until it's combined and you have no more lumps. Hey, Coop. Lastly, we're going to season with salt and pepper. Once you have your dressing all blended, we're going to pour it over the salad. And it is a little loose, but that's okay. If you want it to be creamier or thicker, you can definitely add more mayonnaise or add sour cream. And we're just going to toss that together. And this is definitely so much better if you make it like a few hours in advance. It gives all that dressing time to kind of marinate your broccoli. You want to scoop up from the bottom to make sure you're like kind of folding that dressing over your broccoli. And the reason I save the bacon for last is so that it doesn't get all mushy in your salad. So we're just gonna add the bacon now and toss that all in here. Just sprinkle of bacon. You want some bacon? I'll give you a little piece. Okay, no more. Cooper's like the bacon addict. I'm a little light on the bacon today, but it adds such a nice saltiness to this. I just love this salad so much. All right. And our salad is done. So now we can just put it in a serving bowl and serve it up. So I like to make a big batch of this at the beginning of the week to have for dinner on a weeknight that's like really busy, if you just want to grill some chicken and then serve this broccoli salad on the side. It's really awesome. And again, my dressing is lighter, but you can definitely add more mayonnaise or something creamy to get that extra creamy consistency. I just like to keep things a little lighter in the summertime. You can see all those pieces of the bacon and the dried cherries and the cheese and red onion. It's like a cornucopia of flavor. I'm gonna take a bite. It's so crunchy and perfect and blends so well. I can taste that bacon and the cheese, and the dressing is tangy and sweet and light. It is the best side dish for any occasion. If you like this video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. For more easy recipes, visit thesuburbansoapbox.com. Thanks again.